Hi guys, this is Rajiv Nedungadi here, and today I'm going to unbox the 3-film collection of Escape Plan, which is Escape Plan 2 Hades, and Escape Plan the Extractors. So this seems to be a 2-disc set where the first 2 films are on the first disc, and the third movie is on the last disc. Okay, so here is the back, and it is region A. It's a US import, so it is region A. Let's have a look at some more details here. So the first film has got English audio and Spanish subtitles. Running time is 116 minutes, released in 2013. Second movie, again DTS, English and Spanish subtitles, and English subtitles as well, and 94 minutes runtime, released in 2018. The last movie is again in English and Spanish with English subtitles, running time 88 minutes, released in 2019. Okay, so let me just open this. Okay, so we've got more details about the movies. So this should be a 2-disc set. Actually, I did not realize that when buying it, but once it came, I saw some videos online, and I then realized it's a 2-disc set. It just squeezed the movies into one single disc, removed all the special features. Yes, it is a 2-disc set. So you can see here on the left the first 2 movies, and on the right side the last movie, third movie. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.